welcome back to my channel. Welcome hanya lang sa world. Dito sa School of Ice of Exam. Teachers Day celebration in Bangui. Kalau kan staff rumah, kau saya pun teachers so masuk sa exam. Students so preparation pa ito mo. Ito program solenay. Lot of teachers so no happy Teachers Day. Kaya enjoy Friday and yung vlog no paisa guranay kami. Like, share, subscribe to the video. And decoration they have done here, see? See that? You have the balloon here. This is the banner of the day for Teachers Day celebration. So how beautiful they have made this. Hello, brother. Good morning. Hello. Not ready. Not ready. Okay. Huh? Which one? So students, they're coming slowly. So this is for the teachers to sit. Students, they are preparing very hard, working hard for the teachers. So they are the hero of the day. How is your feeling? Say Happy Teachers Day. Do like this.
Good morning. So today we are very grateful and very happy to celebrate the Teachers Day.
Students, they're preparing for the first time dancing with the umbrella. So almost getting ready.
Okay, stop.
One.
Not two. Oh. Nice.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
40 seconds has
22,
40 seconds has
23, 25, 26. Second, Sir Ojoy.
Clap your hand.
Look, beside come, Gonzalez. Come, go there. I'm telling, go there. So that-
Hey, take it then.
Oh my God, brother, this done.
Big one.
Only one time, don't come to that.
Enough!
There is brother. Hi. Hello. Hello. How are you? How is the program? How is the program? Program is very good. Excellent. So, here.
Very hard.
There is students.
Like, comment.
Like, share, subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. These are the students. Where?
Happy teacher this time. Wow! Love you.
What are the items that you take? Explain in details.
Fried fish,
Yes.
pepper, apples, and some potato fry.
Can you
Rice
ex-
down.
Can you explain with suitable diagram?
Yeah, that was good.
That was very.
Very nice, it was really nice. On Teachers Day, Father provided us some food, so we are happy.